In this video guide, I want to show you how to install Canon Print app on your Android phone and also on your laptop. So go to Play Store, then type and search for Canon Print app. Canon Print app. This is the app. Install it and download it on your mobile phone. With this app, you should be able to connect your Canon printer with the app. You can scan, print document from the app, scan document from the app, and also check the ink level. So the app is getting ready. 760,000 reviews, 50 million plus downloads. So the app is installing. Then select open. This is the app. Location, storage, precise location. Select yes to give permission for the location. So select permissions. You can see the permission, no permission is allowed. Select permissions. Then scroll down, it will show you location. Select allow. Allow while using this app. Then you go back. So permission will show you the location. Permission is allowed. Then you go back to the app. Storage permissions, storage. Select yes. Then go to permissions. Nearby device, select allow. Photos, select allow. So allow photo and video permission, select allow so that you can print photos. Camera as well, select camera, select allow. Notification is up to you. It's not compulsory to allow notification. Then you go back. This is the app, is now opening up. From this app, to connect a new printer, then you select add or switch. I have different printer here. This is the old printer I connected to the app before, so you delete it. So select search. It will start to search for available printer. Once the printer is found, then you select on the printer to connect it to the network. This is how to install Canon Print app. So it's now searching for the printer. Is your printer listed below? Then you select yes or no. For example, if your printer is not listed, then you select no. If your printer is found on the next page, then you tap it. It's going to search for available printers. Currently, I don't have any Canon printer right here, but this is what you need to do, how to install the app on your mobile phone. Now, I want to show you how to install this app on your computer. You need to go to Windows Start, then go to Microsoft Store, search Canon Print app. Canon Print app, select Canon Print app, then you need to install it. Canon Print app, previously called Canon Inject Smart Connect, is an application to help you make full use of your printer function. Then select install. So the app is installing, and after the installation, it will show you this image. And the app also will show you the ink level. And also from this app, you can scan document, you can print document. You can do so many things from the app. Then select open. This is the app. Before using this application, make sure to read the following. If you do not agree to send information that is necessary to use the service, you are not able to use the service provided on the basis you are sending such information. Canon uses your information according to our privacy policy. So you need to select check all or select only particular one you agree with, then select OK. So I usually agree to licensing agreement, select OK. If you do not agree to send information that is necessary to use the service, you are unable to use the product, then select OK. So the app is getting ready, is opening up. ask you for you to use the printer already, or you add a printer, select add a printer, it will start to search for available printer. We'll download the latest software for the product. Then you select yes. Processing. Select yes for your location. Then make sure you switch the printer on. Then you select next. It will start to search for the printer. Currently, I don't have any printer with me here, but if you have the printer and switch the printer on, it will search and dictate the printer for you to connect it. And also it will ask you connection method. You select option for Wi-Fi connection or wired LAN connection or USB connection. Once you select the particular one, then you select next. So this is how to install Canon Print app on your mobile phone and also on your laptop. So once you get to this point, follow the instruction and connect the printer to a network. Thank you very much indeed.